Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. Today, Jake and I will talk about making money in today's world. We will explain many ways, share stories, and give you useful tips to help you start earning. So stay with us and enjoy.
Hi everyone, glad to be here. Making money now is so different from the past. The internet has changed everything. There are new chances and new challenges. I am excited to share my experience with you.
Yes, Jake. First, let's talk about online jobs. Many people work from home now. You can do freelancing, teach online, or sell products on websites. This is great because you don't need to go outside and you can work anytime.
That's right, Emma, but it's not always easy. You need good skills and patience. For example, freelancing needs you to find clients and build trust. You can start with small jobs and slowly get better projects. I learned this by trying hard and never giving up.
I agree. Another popular way is social media. Many people make videos on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram and earn money from ads and sponsors. It's fun, but you need to be creative and consistent. I started a small channel and I see it growing slowly.
Also, selling online is huge now. You can open a store on sites like Etsy or Amazon and sell anything you make or buy. The key is good marketing and fast delivery. I once sold handmade crafts online, and it helped me earn some extra cash.
Don't forget the gig economy. Apps like Uber, Lyft, or food delivery give flexible jobs. You can choose your hours, but it can be tiring and sometimes not very stable. Still, many people use it to support themselves or save money.
True, Emma. Also, learning new skills is important. Skills like coding, graphic design, or digital marketing are very valuable today. You can learn many of them online for free or low cost. It's a good investment for your future.
Yes, investing time in learning will pay off later. Even if you start with a small income, growing your knowledge helps you reach better jobs and more money.
I want to add one thing. Making money today is about being smart and adaptable. The world changes fast and you must keep up. Try new ideas, learn from mistakes, and stay motivated.
Exactly, Jake. Thank you for sharing your thoughts. We hope this talk gives our listeners new ideas and energy to start their own money-making journey. Let's keep going. Another way people are making money now is through investing. Stocks, cryptocurrencies, and real estate can be good options if you know what you're doing. But it's risky and you should always learn before putting your money in.
Absolutely, Emma. I made some mistakes when I started investing, but I learned a lot from them. The key is to research well, not follow rumors, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. There are many free resources online to help beginners.
That's very helpful advice, Jake. Also, many people earn money by creating digital products like ebooks, courses, or apps. Once you create something good, you can sell it many times. It's called passive income because you keep earning even while you sleep.
Yes, passive income sounds perfect, but it takes time to build. You need to focus on quality and marketing. For example, I tried making an app once and it was challenging, but I learned so much. It's a good long-term plan.
Another interesting way is affiliate marketing. You promote other people's products and get a commission for each sale. You can do this on your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. It works well if you have good followers and trust.
Right, Emma. It's a simple way to start making money without creating your own product. But you must be honest and promote only things you believe in, so people keep trusting you.
Exactly. Trust is everything. And one more thing I want to mention is networking. Sometimes making money comes from who you know. Building relationships with people in your field can open doors to jobs, partnerships, or ideas.
Yes, Emma, never underestimate the power of a good network. Attend events, join online groups, and connect with people regularly. It can lead to opportunities you never expected.
So true, Jake. Finally, I want to encourage everyone listening to try different paths and find what works best for them. Making money is not one size fits all. Be patient, work hard, and keep learning.
That's great advice, Emma. We hope this talk helps you find new ideas and motivation. Remember, every big success starts with small steps.
Thanks again for staying with us. We will continue sharing more useful topics soon. Keep pushing forward and good luck in your money-making journey.
Thanks, Emma. I'm excited to keep talking about these topics. Another thing that's popular now is freelancing. You can offer your skills online and work with clients from all over the world. It gives freedom to choose projects and work hours.
Yes, freelancing is amazing, but it requires discipline. You have to manage your time, communicate well with clients, and deliver quality work on time. Sites like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to start.
Exactly, Emma. And the more positive reviews you get, the easier it becomes to find new clients. Also, don't be afraid to raise your rates when you gain experience. Your time is valuable.
Another option is dropshipping. You sell products online without keeping stock. When a customer buys, the supplier ships directly to them. It sounds easy, but marketing and customer service are key to success.
I tried dropshipping once. It was a learning experience. You need patience and good research to find products that people really want to buy. But once set up, it can bring steady income.
One more thing I want to share is the power of content creation. Blogs, YouTube, podcasts, TikTok, there are many ways to create content and earn through ads, sponsorships, or selling your own products.
Yeah, content creation is fun and creative, but it takes time to build an audience. Consistency and authenticity are important. People want to connect with real and helpful creators.
Absolutely, Jake. Being genuine builds trust and loyalty. So if you have a passion or knowledge to share, don't hesitate to start creating. It's a journey, but can be very rewarding.
Well, Emma, I think we covered a lot today. These ideas can help many people find ways to earn money in today's world. It's all about exploring, learning, and adapting.
Thanks for this great talk, Jake. To all our listeners, keep experimenting, stay positive, and don't give up. Your efforts will pay off.
We'll be back soon with more useful discussions. Until then, keep growing and making your dreams happen.
Goodbye, everyone, and good luck on your journey.